little artists, welcome back to Creative Kids Art. Today we're going to draw something cool, really cool. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's a fan, the thing that blows air and keeps us cool in the summer. Let's draw one together step by step. Ready? Grab your pencil and let's go. Step 1. First, draw a big circle in the middle of your page. This will be the front of the fan. Step 2. Now draw a smaller circle inside the big one. Draw another smaller circle. That's the fan center. Step 3. Let's add the fan blades. Draw 3 or 4 long curved shapes coming out from the center circle, like a pinwheel or flower petal. Step 4. Time to draw the stand. Draw 2 short lines going down from the bottom of the circle, then add a small rectangle under them for the base. Great job drawing! Now let's color it in. I'm using blue and gray for the fan, and some yellow for the happy face. What colors are you using? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials every week. See you next time!